First line. Republic Day is celebrated every year on the 26th of January in our school with great enthusiasm. Second line. The celebration begins with the hoisting of the national flag by the principal. Third line. Students sing the national anthem and patriotic songs. Fourth line. Teachers explain the importance of Republic Day to the students. Fifth line. Many students deliver speeches on the Constitution of India. Sixth line. Cultural programs like dances and skits are performed. Seventh line. Students wear neat uniforms and the school is decorated with tricolor flags. Eighth line. Prizes are given to students for various competitions. Ninth line. The celebration fills everyone with feelings of patriotism and pride. 10th line. Republic Day celebration at school teaches us to love and respect our country.